Spring break with our grandkids to Great Wolf Lodge. We had never been here before. Today, we're going to give you a full tour and review. Hey guys, today we're at Great Wolf Lodge in Mason, Ohio. It's a huge indoor water park. We brought our grandkids here on spring break. It's a cold and blustery day. As you walk into their main lobby, they have it all decorated for their spring breakout. This is a family resort where you go to strengthen your pack. You're all each given wolf ears. We love the theming. This is a tour of our room. It's just a standard suite, but you could also get themed suites and premium suites that sleep up to 13. I particularly liked how the sitting area was separated from the sleeping area. There was also an outdoor water park, but it was too cold when we were there. We loved all of the lodge and wolf theming. The sink area was separate from the toilet and bath, which made it nice as well. There's a kid cabin suite, a wolf den suite, and a kid camp suite, along with a fireplace suite. You pick whatever den suits your family the best, and our granddaughter loved to sit up on the ledge. We all got armbands, which got us into all the activities, and even we could pay for things with our armbands and not have to carry around a wallet. The first day when we arrived, we were starving. It was late afternoon and we hadn't had lunch. This restaurant was right inside this water park, and it had your usual fast food. There were so many activities planned for the kids all throughout the day, and this is the huge water park. It was ginormous. Because it was spring break, it was super crowded. To get a chair, you had to get there right when the water park opened and run to find a chair. They had a big wave pool that simulates the ocean waves. The kids loved this area. And here you can see those big, huge water slides. And again with the Wolf Lodge theming all throughout the water park as well. Grizzly Rob's was a place where you could go to get a drink while you were in the pool area, and we found that they had ice water there for free. They had so many different water activities in the pool. This was definitely a kid-friendly place. And watch as Grammy gets absolutely drenched. This was supposed to be the lazy river, but it was so crowded you could hardly move. There was a game there called Magiquest that the kids could do. You took them to get a magic wand. They gave you a book that tells you what you have to do to complete the quest. It was so fun for the kids, and they loved all the things that lit up when they flashed their wand.
Only a master magi can open this book.
Oh, so we have to finish the quest.
This is a look down into the lobby area. And seriously, the kids loved the magic wands more than playing the game. They loved all the flashy lights.
A magi must complete his tasks in the proper order.
This is the gift shop in the lodge where we took the kids to pick out a souvenir. They have just about everything you could think of in this little gift shop. This is also where we came to pick up our wolf ears when we got here. And there's also a huge little candy shop right inside the gift store. There's also a place right inside the store where you can mine for gems. How cool is that? This resort is definitely geared for kids. This is what our granddaughter picked out. The snuggle is real. And our grandson picked out a warmie, which you actually put in the microwave to warm up. And then it was time to play glow-in-the-dark mini golf. And all of this was right inside the Great Wolf Lodge and included in our package.
Okay guys, so we are at BuildABear right now.
Big and strong or soft and squishy?
Soft and squishy.
Oh, right. Let's step on the pedal. Alright, wow. And then you want to pick out a heart? It's optional.
Hard to put on the foot.
Okay, close your eyes. Make a wish. And then when you have your wish, give it a big old kiss. Alright. Put it in its back.
The kids had never done Build-A-Bear before, so this was a whole new experience for them.
Pick out a heart. Close your eyes. Make a wish. And then when you're done making that wish, give it a big old kiss.
This is what they're talking about of make a bear. What is BuildABear?
So tell us about your Make-A-Bear, Kason.
So he's super soft and he's super cool and his tail can move around and that's that.
So now the kids are filling out the birth certificate for their bears.
They were super proud of their stuffed wolves. Then it was time to try out bowling. The kids are drinking from their refillable cups, which came with the package that we bought. Just on the other side of bowling was this huge arcade. If kids come to Great Wolf Lodge and are bored, it's their own fault. There is so much to do here. The Loose Moose was also located right inside Great Wolf Lodge, and we ate breakfast there 2 days. It was a buffet, and it was so good. The kids absolutely loved it. We loved that they had restaurants right inside, and you didn't have to leave the lodge once you got there. This particular restaurant was open for breakfast and lunch, and they had all the things that kids love to eat. They not only had bacon, eggs, sausage, and all those types of breakfast foods, they had all types of fruit and yogurt as well. Just look at how huge this buffet was. And again, with the lodge theming, this place was awesome.
Like a gun you can soar when you know what you're looking for. There's nothing to be scared of.
Listen to Great Wolf's howl with an open heart, mind, and spirit, and it will always lead you back to the ones you love.
Guess what? I'm not afraid at all.
Well, the kids actually were afraid of this. They said it was creepy. They didn't like it at all. They also offered morning yoga for the kids.
There you go. We're just gonna lean to one side and get a stretch. If you can touch your toes, that's fantastic. If not, that's okay.
We went to get ice cream at Woods End Creamery, a cute little ice cream shop where they had hand-dipped ice cream. The kids loved it. They had lots of other sweets available there as well. And look at that ice cream. The kids said it was great. Then on the other side of the ice cream shop was Hungry as a Wolf pizza and subs.
Okay guys, so we are on the stage right now because Grammy and Baby are doing their intro outside over there. And they're doing their intro for their YouTube channel for their video here. And we are just eating our ice cream. And it is so good. I am telling you, it is. And this is what I'm talking about, real ice cream. Yeah. So we are just eating our ice cream with our stuffed animals, guys. You already saw the photos. They are adorable. I am in love with mine. So yeah, so we're just waiting for them to come back in. So we'll see you guys when we get to the hotel room.
There were various scheduled times that you could go into the lobby and get your picture with a character. We loved our group picture. This is the Lodge Woodfired Grill, which was a restaurant that was open for dinner in the evenings. If you were tired of eating fast food all day, this gave you a great option. You could either sit at the bar or choose one of the surrounding tables. It opened at 5 p.m. and it didn't take long till it was filled up. And this is what Keith and I shared. It was delicious.
Come on, it's almost springtime, so let's make way for bright sunshine. Come on, come on, come on, let's get ready. It's almost spring, break out.
This is the kids with all their gear. The popcorn buckets were included in our package with all the popcorn they could eat. We highly recommend Great Wolf Lodge. It's a great place to make memories. If you would like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen.